Welcome back. Head coach of Holmwood Technical, Dave Anderson, was one of 4 coaches honoured at GC Foster Classic in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday. Anderson has been a member of Holmwood's coaching staff since its dominant years.
Well, first I must say very surprising. I didn't expect it. But once you're recognized for the job that you have been done, it's a gratifying feeling, and I'm feeling good about it, that when you're alive and people can recognize the work that you have been doing, it only encourages you to continue to do the good work.
Okay, so you are very elated.
Yeah, I'm very elated because it's more of a surprise, but I'm grateful for it.
Also on hand to receive his award was veteran track and field coach Danny Hawthorne. Now, Hawthorne is in his second stint as coach at Calabar High School. He's also a senior lecturer and vice principal at GC Foster College. Clinton Clark and Sean Young's awards were collected in absentia.